Today, we got something special. The 2023 Nissan Z Performance. Look at this beauty. White body, black roof, black wheels, red calipers. It's like a pocket rocket that's waiting to be unleashed. It's a nod to his classic Z predecessors. But what is it like living with the Z? Stick around to the end to find out. My name is Matt, and this is ROKR's Drive Club. Let's get into it. As we take a closer look, the cabin of the Z is a blend of simplicity and comfort. The black and red interior, a nod to the car's sporty DNA, is inviting. The quality of the materials and the layout of the controls add to the car's practical appeal. Thoughtful touches like dedicated cubbies for the owner's manual and storage, as well as nicely separated trunk space by a strut brace, demonstrates the car's practicality. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. This baby's got a VR30 DD-TT that just loves to sing, especially when you hit those mid-range RPMs. Breaking down the engine's nameplate, VR is the series or family for this engine. 30 is the displacement, meaning it's 3 liters. DD stands for direct injection, and TT means twin turbocharged. In short, this is a 3-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine, outputting 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. What about the sport exhaust that comes with the performance model? Well, it's music to my ears. It's not too loud, but it lets its presence be known. But it's not just about sound. This car handles like a dream too. Corners, straightaways, you name it, it's a joy to drive. The Z's 9-speed transmission is a marvel, delivering power smoothly and efficiently. Leaves you wondering though, why didn't they make this manual only? I personally see the automatic only being beneficial for those that are new to sports cars or someone that only likes this car for the looks, as opposed to someone that's looking to have fun with the car. The paddle shifters offer a great driving experience, but leaving it in drive with sport on offers a similar if not more exhilarating experience. The performance trim of the Z brings along a host of features. Apart from the sport exhaust, it includes sport brakes, limited slip differential, and a sport-tuned suspension. These features, combined with the car's inherent performance credentials, makes the Z a joy to drive. Alright, let's talk tech. This Z's got a 9-inch touchscreen that has Apple CarPlay and navigation, which comes in super handy. And the sound from the 8-speaker Bose system, crystal clear. Keeping entertainment in mind, this car's got a digital dash with 3 different modes. And when it comes to safety, Nissan's got you covered, with features like blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. The Z Performance isn't just about speed and style, it's also practical. The trunk space is more generous. The interior storage cubbies are a thoughtful touch. And let's talk about value. With a price tag of $53,655, it offers a lot of bang for your buck. It is a car that is aimed at new sports car owners, offering a blend of performance and fun that is not too intimidating. You know what else is interesting? The people that noticed this car the most were the younger crowd, like my age. It was like a magnet for millennials and Gen Z. Now, let's talk about what it's like to live with the Z on a daily basis. Because let's face it, most of us aren't buying a car for track use or open road only. We're driving it to work and the grocery store and everywhere in between. Well, let me tell you, it's surprisingly practical. You got enough space for groceries, a passenger, and even a bit of extra room for whatever life throws your way. It's not just a car built for the track. It's a car that's built for life. And you know what? I think this car would be perfect for me. It's got the performance, the style, the practicality. So to wrap up the 2023 Z Performance, it's a pocket rocket that's ready for the road. And it's a worthy addition to the Z lineage. you made it this far, you're pretty awesome. If you want to see another car review like this, check out my Corvette Z51 video.